Shalom. This is Yehudit Goldfarb in Sfat. I want to share with you movements for counting the 12th day of the 40-day count of blessings between Shavuot and the 17th of Tammuz. So the day is the fourth letter of the word Bracha in its third level, coming down from Ketcher. So we've done Ketcher, taking the letters Beit, Resh, Chaf, and Hey, combined with the nikudah for Ketcher, which was Kamatz, and then we did 4 days with combining the letters of Bracha with a Patak, which represents Chachma, and now we're finishing off the 4 letters combined under Binah. And Binah is the place of understanding and holding the multiplicity and analyzing and the details and complexities of this world, trying to understand it. And so in honor of that, I wore a very colorful, complicated skirt with all kinds of patterns and designs and colors to remind myself about that, holding the complexity and the differences in Binah, as well as a green scarf, because the usual color in the sefirot for Binah is green. And the day is the fourth day of the week, which is usually Netzach. And I usually wear yellow for the rainbow system, but the Zohar says light pink. So I'm playing with the Zohar colors now. And in my medallion here, I have a shell that has purple and white, which are 2 possible colors to represent Hesed and Hey, when you think of it in connection with Hey as the letter for the month of Nisan, the first letter of the whole elemental letters in the calendar, which is one way of understanding it. Hey is also, because of the position in the word, associated with Malchut in Bracha, in the 4th position, like the Hey of the Yud Kei Vav Kei. So in honor of that, I'm wearing a sky blue top, which the Zohar's one version of the Zohar says that's for Malchut, the Tehelet blue, and it's very much like the sky blue behind me. And I also have brown socks, which is Malchut in the rainbow system. So I'm playing both systems at the same time. Anyway, the movements are the Hey for the letter, which is stepping back, bringing your hands up and pointing the toe, putting your head between your hands, and then stepping on your heel and rocking forward if you're doing it as a repetitive movement. Coming forward. And one more time. This is a simple Hey. And then come forward and staying forward. And then you can do it on the other side too, the left foot. That's what it looks like. I'm not going to do it all now, because I'm going to face you when I'm doing it for the exercise itself. Remind you that the Tzere is for the Binah. It's 2 dots side by side, because you're comparing things without attaching any emotional charge in place of understanding, in the place of Binah. So you bring 2 hands up and make little air dots. The Tzere. So this is A, and a 4th one, A, and then we're going to do the combination of the letter and the nikudah in internally focusing on the tree of life in my body, from my head to Ketcher, Chachma, Binah, right brain, left brain, right arm, left arm, Hesed and Gevurah, to ferret, my heart, the center, and right and left legs, the Netzach and Hod, and the genitals and the tongue for Yesod, and the mouth is one of the places for Malchut, or the center, very center of your being, wherever you image that to be. So that we do silently. And now I'll be stepping back for the Hey. I'm going to do the nikudah on the same side as the letter. So the hey, and then I pronounce it with a nikudah. Hey. It's for Keter, for Chokmah. Hey. Binah. Hesed. Gevurah. I'm going to do Tzere on the left side, so I start the same pattern I've just done, going back and forth all the way to Malchut. Even though Tzere, Yesod, and Malchut are all in the center. Hey. Netzach, hold. Yesod. Malchut. And then 4 breaths in Malchut, letting myself be breathed by Hashem and thinking of the energy moving from my head through. It's like a Yud, Hey, Vav, Hey in my body. Vav, Hey. So I bless us all on this 12th day of the counting of the 40 days of blessing, that we may experience the blessings from a multiplicity of places as we act in the world, as we manifest our vision and our understanding of how things work and who we are, and all the different ways that we try to understand our reality around us, that we transform that into a way of manifesting in the best possible way what we have to be doing at each moment, and giving other people as many blessings as we can. Bless you.